If you look at the problem, 3 brackets given. Simplification problem, 3 brackets. How I have shown on the board, likewise space you give, otherwise you will get a lot of confusion. Bigger the size, if you write the problem and bracket spacing, easy to understand. In a small size, if you indicate, confusions will be having. I used to write more space, I used to give up. Innermost bracket you have to simplify. This is called innermost bracket. Outer bracket, inner bracket, innermost bracket. Innermost, outer, inner, innermost. Innermost bracket. For easy understanding. Put 1 minus s cube is equal to z. This step you write, neatly you write. Two terms I am making into single. Understanding easy. 1 minus s cube, z. Z means 1 minus s cube. Easy to remember also. You are calling, renaming. 1 minus s cube, you are calling it as z. Z power minus 1. Single term. Two term means bracket required. Single term, no bracket. One bracket vanished. What is the meaning of z power minus 1? 1 by z. Meaning of negative power. One minus z power minus 1, you have to simplify. Simplify. LCM Z. LCM you have to take. LCM Z is LCM. The bracket is simplified. Still we have two brackets. Side you put P by Q is the power minus 1. What is the answer mean? Q by P is the answer. P by Q whole power minus 1 answer is Q by P. Z minus 1 by Z power minus 1 is equal to Z by Z minus 1. LCM you take, simplify. Ratio proportion algebraic treatment is very less. Just a couple of problems I have used algebraic. Most of them I avoided. TDF means the study of algebra. In algebra chapter, how can I avoid algebraic quantity? I can minimize the letter. I put Z, 2 letter, I minimize 1 letter. LCM you have to take, Z is a LCM. Fractions we have. Subtraction of 2 fraction, LCM. Addition of 2 fraction, LCM. 1 you divide Z minus 1, multiply. Substitute for Z. Z is your assumption. Your assumption should not figure in the answer, final answer. You cannot say this answer, sir, mean answer is Z. Z is not involved. Z is your assumption. A lot of things you can assume. Final answer should not contain assumption. Minus minus become plus. X cube, take it up. X power minus 3. X power minus 3 whole power minus 1 by 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 by 3. Same manner, if you want to have a very good practice of this problem, technique is here you put the power 3, here 1 by 3, here power 4 you put, here 4 you put, here 4, here 5, here 5, here 6, here 6. Same answer will be getting. This is a problem given 3. You change it to 4 or change it to 2, you change it to 2. Here you put a 2. Here 2, here 2. Wherever 3, you put 2. Same kind of problem. Same answer you do. Same answer X. Here 4 you put 2. Wherever 3 you put 4. Another problem you will be getting. Same answer you do. Practice. You will be getting X. Final answer X. 5 you put. 1 by 5. Here you put 5A. Here you put 5. 3 should be replaced by 5. Wherever 3 you put 5. Another problem. Wherever 3 put 10, one more problem. Wherever 3 put 8, third problem. You can construct plenty of problem. Not necessary, but how we are simplifying, try to understand. You yourself can put some number 4, you put simplify, getting R. Now same answer you have to get, same answer. If you get same answer, you have understood correctly. If not, practice required. You revise this problem, how I did, try to understand. For easy understanding, I kept Z. It becomes a single letter. Single letter case, no bracket. Bracket, addition of 2 or more terms, you have to put bracket. Addition, subtraction of 2 or more terms, we have to indicate bracket. Multiplication case, nobody will use bracket. 5 into 4, nobody will put a bracket. 5 into 4, bracket, nobody will put 5 bracket, 4 bracket, they won't put. Addition cases, brackets. A plus B whole square, bracket. AB whole square, no bracket. You put the Z minus 1. Z minus 1. 1 by Z. LCM taken. Z minus 1 by Z. What is the meaning of Z minus 1 Z? Refer the notes. Fractional powers. P by Q whole power minus 1, answer is Q by P. Anybody having confusion? A power minus 1, 1 by A. P by Q whole power minus 1, 1 by P by Q. Q by P. How we are getting is not unwanted. What we have to put correctly, that you should know. Negative power paragraph, you check